YouTube, what's good? What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYLP. And check this out. For today's video, I'm going to talk about a video that I had cooked up for y'all. But when I went to go retrieve the video, 20 to 30 minutes worth of video, I realized the video was all gone. I was pretty much talking to myself for almost 30 minutes, but we're gonna get right into that after my intro. Alright, y'all, so check this out. Like I said, I had cooked up a video where I was, I was fulfilling some orders, and I was pouring my heart out to you guys, thinking that, I was going to give you guys all this great content, show you guys what I was, the orders I was fulfilling and so on and so forth, show you guys, how I made this nice Coach jacket, for an upcoming photo shoot that I got going on with a local photographer out here around my way, about positive black couples in the world. So it's all gone, but let me get off that topic. So the only thing I'm gonna bring back from that video that I lost, I wanted to show you guys this Coach's jacket that I actually made for the photo shoot. It's like I'm doing like a vintage style LA Raiders Coach's jacket. I got the patch on the back with the Raiders patch on the left chest. These patches I actually got I bought the patches on eBay. Both of them combined with shipping cost me like 28 bucks for both of them. I got the Coach's jacket off of Amazon. It's actually a Shaka. The name of the brand is Shaka. Got it off Amazon for like $18. And I think it came out pretty nice. Once again, that's the left chest. There's your back logo. I'll come in close to let you guys see the details of the actual patch. So that's that. Like I said, the company that came up with the patches, I'll leave their name in the description below so you can, check those out on eBay if you want. But more importantly, what this video was about is I just recently did a photo shoot for, one of my unfamous hoodies that I've been selling. I want to just take you guys, I want to talk to you guys real quick. I wanted to just take you guys behind the scene. I know I did this before, but behind the scenes and show you like, how I direct, these photo shoots and, these videos that I produce for social media. And I feel like the more content you put out for your brand, the better it'll be for you to start selling more merchandise and just pretty much getting yourself out there and just getting yourself acclimated with potential customers. More is better, man. More exposure is better for your brand than no exposure at all. All right, and you always wanna I feel like you always wanna tell a story. You always want to bring the customer in. You always want to make them feel like they're a part of something. Like, this is why I do these videos. This is why I do, all the social media posts and stuff like that for each and every one of my my products, because I wanna pull the customer in, make the customer feel like they're actually part of something. Like that unfamous design I got is it is what it is. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I've spoken about it countless times, man. But let me just go ahead and show you guys, how this latest photo shoot went. I got a bunch of clips that I got from the actual shoot, and towards the back end of this video, I show you how I edited everything. Well, not per se how I edited it, but I minimized all the footage that I took from the actual shoot and made it into a small social media clip just to promote, that particular piece. All right, so you guys stay with me. Here we go. Okay, so today I'm on the set for the Unfamous shoot. So this is the process that I go through when I'm on the shoots and stuff like that. I already did the first portion of it as far as the intro for the social media clips, the video aspect. So now after that's all said and done, I link up with my photographers, let them do their things. So we're setting up the background right now, actual set, and we're about to bang this thing out. Let's get it. Hold on, Zell, let me know when you're ready.
Some people like the grill, some people acting funny. Some people like to kill, some people get the money. Some people like the grill, some people acting funny. Some people all the time, you know what I'm saying? Get the money. All year round. Some people acting funny. Some people like to kill, some people get the money. Some people like the grill, some people acting funny.
You got milk?
I
got some natural milk, but I wanted to catch the corn. But he had that vision like on Friday where on board the cereal they had no milk, he had sugar milk. I mean, I can give you some real milk if you want to go that route, bro.
Yo, you really want to eat?
I get a little milk.
Okay.
Stash, you know what I'm saying? This the brokest.
Nothing, I was shining with it, savoring a one bedroom, so my mommy wouldn't mind me, and it still remind you who I do for, because I'm worth more than a lot. Keep my eyes peeled.
Got you. But you gotta get the knuckles is ashy on purpose. I just want to put that out, but not really. It ain't on purpose, nigga. You work in the kitchen, them shit's always gonna be ashy. Yeah, I wash my hands a lot. What up, Zay?
Some people like the grill, some people acting funny. Some people like the kill, some people get the money.
Hey, just see how you sitting? Just like put your hand like this. Yeah,
my trouble bitch falling on the boat tomorrow morning. I go get a baby girl. Yes, we got a woman looking here.
Hold on, Scott.
my bad.
Share life. TFM. Hours. Gary Brown was standing.
I just left Chandler, so like 3.5 that it drew on my cover. The little bitch that's with me look like Mulan. If you tell him, keep trying for that deal, see in due time.
And then we'll move this out the way. Shots him like you think iron in front of that. I got my pocket in the I don't sweat too big for him? Oh, okay. Now, I was gonna say it might be actually ill to have him in the oversized hoodie. You know what I mean? What? Go back. You're not switching it out though? I thought you was having a tan. Told me to change the shirt. I got 9 TV. Oh.
Alright, tell me what you guys thought about the video. Leave your comments down below if you think I killed it. You know what I'm saying? Show your boy some love. Show your boy some love. Hit that thumbs up to let me know that you like the video. Hit that bell so you guys won't miss my next video. I'm telling you, I'm going to keep hitting you guys with this content. It's on for 2021, baby. Let's get it. Yo, what's up, man? What's good? We late. Like the way I got the scene set up is like a struggle, like just to pretty much show that, you know, it ain't all about money all the time, you know what I'm saying? I'm famous, baby.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.